International Islamic Research Center.
Question to you is, was Jesus really crucified or not?
Was Jesus Christ crucified or not?
Yeah, because I've heard many Muslims saying that he was not crucified.
Should be alone. It was only made to appear so. All those who differ are full of doubts. Illatibas zan, with only conjectures to follow. For a surety they killed him not. So according to the Quran, he was not crucified, he was not killed. I believe you are a Christian sister, correct?
Yes, I am, and
Yes,
our Bible
that's it.
says that Jesus
So sister, wait,
was...
I haven't completed my answer. Since you are a Christian, you may not believe in the Quran, I keep the Quran aside. I speak from the Bible. I can give you many proof from the Bible that Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, was not crucified. But this is not a time of a lecture. I'll just show you one very important sign. If you read the Gospel of Matthew, as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of the fish, so shall the Son of Man be 3 days and 3 nights in the heart of the earth. So if Jonah was alive, how should Jesus Christ be in the heart of the earth after he was taken down from the cross? Should he be dead or alive? If he has to be like Jonah, if Jonah was alive, Jesus Christ also should be alive. So this proves that Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, did not die on the cross. He was alive. So this is a way of proving that Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, did not die on the cross, as the Quran says, the same thing. For more details, refer to my debate, was Christ really crucified?
Okay, thank you.
International Islamic Research Center.